As you are aware that this particular subject has been again a very important aspect and a very important issue that different sections of society have for a very long time have been expressing their concerns. At the same time, we are aware that Meghalaya has large deposits of uranium. And in the past, there have been certain activities that took place by the government of India, which, as mentioned, has been opposed by the public at large. And during that process, for us also, sir, as members, we have seen the different kind of impacts that uranium mining has had in different parts of the country, where to a large extent the health hazards and the impact on the health of people around these mining areas in different parts of the country have been affected, sir. And therefore, as a government, because of the fact that there was no clarity on the stand of the government, on the stand of this House, and on the stand of the people at large, we strongly felt that a resolution must be brought to clearly send a message in one voice that the state of Meghalaya, its people, its government, and its elected members oppose any kind of activity related to mining of uranium or processing of uranium in our state. And as mentioned, sir, in the resolution, that different aspects of the Constitution have given protection to our people, to our land. Supreme Court has upheld that particular aspect of ensuring that our people, its land, and not just the surface, but also the subsoil, belongs to the people of the state. And hence, these protections are meant to ensure, or these rules are meant to ensure the protection of our people and of our land. And therefore, sir, I don't want to delay or in any way go detailed into all these aspects. These are concerns, I am sure, almost every citizen, not just the members sitting in the House, but even the citizens who are watching and even people who are sitting in the House will agree and will be united on this very important resolution that this government is going to pass. And of course, as I mentioned, sir, that we will be taking this resolution and will be moving forward to the union government and urging them to ensure that no mining activity of uranium nor the processing of uranium should take place in any part of the state in any way that they may think of doing so. So it's a very simple yet a very important resolution. We are sure that it's not just what we are doing today for the current population that is there, but for generations to come. This particular resolution will be remembered, sir. And many people will thank this House. And when I say the House, I mean every single member, whether it's the ruling or the opposition. There are times that come that even though we may have different political differences, but when it comes to the protection of our people, when it comes to standing united for the rights of our people, sir, I'm sure we are together and we are one. And therefore, in this particular resolution and this stand, we should unanimously pass this resolution without any kind of doubt in our mind and send a very, very strong message of reassurance to the people of our state and a very strong message to Government of India that the people of Meghalaya are united against the mining and processing of uranium in any form, in any part of the state. With these few words, sir, I once again urge the House that we must unite, we must send a positive message, and therefore we must pass this resolution unanimously in one voice. With these few words, sir, I urge once again to pass this resolution, and I resume my seat.